going on, guys? Today back again with Snapchat tutorials. We're gonna be taking a look at how to redeem a voucher code. It's one that I purchased from Amazon because I had this Amazon gift card. So now that I bought it, I have the code delivered right to my email. So this is how we redeem it. So literally all we gotta do is go all the way to the left side and go to the PlayStation Store. And then once we're at the PlayStation Store, just go ahead and select that. And then scroll all the way down. It's easy, it's right there. Just redeem code. Enter your 12-digit voucher code. This you're gonna find in your email. If you bought it from Amazon, you're gonna find it in your email. You should get it within maybe 2 minutes. And it says right on your email voucher code. You just click on the email. You then just type in the code, hit continue, and confirm. Once you confirm, you just want to hit continue. And promotion code redeemed. You now have your membership, whether it be the 1 month, the 3 month, or the 1 year. I just got the 1 month because I'll be working, but just want to hit OK. And the promotion code has been redeemed. You're all set. You're ready to play online. Notice how it has that right at the corner now. We're ready to play.